Another thing to be concerned with is chocolate, any soft candies, like a yogurt-covered granola bar, that sort of a thing. So with our chocolate, you do not want to freeze your chocolate, and you do not want your chocolate to get hot. So we keep our chocolate in a refrigerator in the warehouse, or if we have excess, we put it in an air-conditioned office to protect it. Also, you're going to have your frozen foods. Those need to come to your warehouse frozen to be put away immediately. It's pretty easy to get free refrigerators or very inexpensive refrigerators, and chest freezers are preferred. If not chest freezers, an upright freezer. You can get them off of Craigslist, off of free lists. There's a number of different ways that you can get those. Those are things you're going to want in your warehouse area to protect your product for your customers.